Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a merchant who sold clothes, spices, and toys in the city. Every day, he packed his goods on the back of his donkey and walked to the market. But this donkey was very lazy. Whenever the road got a little hard or heavy, he would sit down and refuse to move. The poor merchant would get worried because he needed to reach the city on time. One hot day, the merchant loaded salt sacks on the donkey. As they crossed a river, the donkey slipped and fell into the water. The salt dissolved, and suddenly the load became very light. The donkey felt happy and thought, "Oh, if I keep falling in water, I won't have to work hard ever again." The next day, the clever donkey tried the same trick again, but this time, the merchant understood his laziness. So instead of salt, he filled the sacks with cotton. When the donkey fell into the water again, the cotton became heavy and soaked. The donkey struggled and realized his plan had failed. He learned that laziness only brings more problems. From that day on, the donkey stopped playing tricks and worked honestly with the merchant. Together, they happily traveled to the city every day. Moral of the story: laziness never helps. Hard work makes life easier and happier.